Welcome to the Create an Animated Logo Intro using PowerPoint 2013 course, where you will learn how to design and animate great logo intros using PowerPoint as an animation software and video editing tool. My name is Andrzej Pach, hello, and I will guide you through the entire creation process of this animation. This course is project-based. We will work on 2 animations. One will be for a gamer channel, and the second one will be a more corporate style. So you work on 2 different styles, 2 different animations. You learn really good PowerPoint tricks for both of these animations, and I would like to show you what we'll be creating. So let's watch the preview of this course. So these are exactly the animations you are going to create. We will work from a blank presentation file towards a finished animation like that. You will also get the templates from me so you can use them for your own projects, and I will show you where to search for free music to use for such projects. The ideal student for this course is anyone wanting to learn animation and step into the video and YouTube industry with the easiest possible tools. I first struggled myself to start a YouTube channel and do some video editing, until I started using simple programs like PowerPoint, which learned me the basics, and I can now transition to more advanced programs, but I still use PowerPoint as a basic video editing software and animation tool. I would like to encourage you to take a few preview lessons of this course. If you like the content and like the style I teach, please enroll in this course, and I look forward to seeing you inside.